I know all the developer know how to do a JSON formatting. There are external website also available, and few year back I was using external website for everyday JSON formatting because as a developer I am playing with the JSON data every day. So one of the trick I was earlier using is a JSON lint where I was putting my data unformatted JSON, and I was using this website to validate as well as prettifying the data. But as when I was working for the customer, I cannot put the all the type of data here, and some data is a very sensitive and I don't know how JSON lint is using my data, so I was not using JSON lint or any external website for a customer or sensitive data. So then the second option I was start using is a Notepad++. So Notepad++ has a lot of plugin. So one of the plugin I have installed is a JSON viewer. So I have installed a JSON viewer in my Notepad++, and whenever I receive any data as a input or through a program, I simply just put into a notepad and right click it, and not right click, plugin, and then format JSON. So I will get a prettified document here. So it will do all the formatting for me. Another one I start using a lot from last few year is VS Code. In the VS Code you can create a basically file. You can say test1.json. Once you have created the file, you can put your JSON, and if the JSON is not in a correct format, you can simply right click and format that document. If you have a data in XML format or any other format, it will do automatically formatting for you, right? This is pretty cool because every day we are using a VS Code, so it's also good. Another tool which I use on my system, and this is provided by Microsoft, and the tool called a DevToy. Let me open this tool instance for you. So DevToy is a utility tool provided by Microsoft. It has a lot of uh, utility, but one of the utility is a JSON formatting and other formatting as well. So I have a JSON data in my clipboard, so it automatically start highlighting where I need to click, and it automatically pastes the data and it automatically do the formatting, and I will simply copy it and start using it. Hope you like it, and if you know any better trick on a Windows, please share with me on a comment. Thank you.